Good morning. So boys, if you can see in the back there, I got a little box of tires. So I just went and picked up the new drift rims that I'm going to be using for the 240. So ever since I put these wheels on, I haven't slid the car at all because I'm just too worried about fucking up those rims. So I picked up some brand new rims. First time I've actually ever bought brand new rims, but I got them for an unreal price and you're gonna see them. So generally these aren't my style of wheels, but the thing is they came in the exact same spec or within +5 as the Weds, and I got a set of 4 brand new in box for $400, which is like literally unreal. I was looking at used wheels and here they are. We got some fat fucks 4 spokes, 5x100 or 5x114, and 9 + 15 offset, 9-inch wide + 15 offset. So it's a decently lightweight rim. But yeah, man, check that out. Not exactly my style particularly, but like for 400 bucks, how can you go wrong with that? And honestly, the bronze I feel like will look good on the red. I was either gonna get bronze or gunmetal gray, but the gunmetal didn't really look like your regular gunmetal gray. It was kind of ugly. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox the rest of these and I'm just gonna line them up on the car, see how they look. Yeah, so each wheel actually comes with an extra center cap and this little pamphlet and a red valve stem. It's got this style, kind of like the pushed out hub on the rims, or it's got the flat one. Not sure which one I like better, to be honest. Honestly, can't really decide right now. I'll figure it out when I put them on, but at least I got extra center caps in case I ever lose one when I'm sliding. But like, man, those are actually gonna look nasty. They have like a pretty decent concave to the wheel, so hopefully it'll clear my brakes up front. Oh yeah, I mean, so that's just a rough estimate of like something it'll look like. 4 spokes are kind of weird. Yeah, but it's like 6 a.m. right now, so after work today, I'm gonna go buy some brand new tires, get some cheap China slidey boys, you know, and then I'm gonna go get them mounted, balanced after work, and then hopefully I'll put them on either today or tomorrow, and you guys will see some skids. So I got the rims and the wheels mounted, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. So it's the next day. Yesterday just got like super busy, went to a car meet and stuff, but yeah, I got all these tires mounted and I'm pretty stoked with how they look. Honestly, the 4 spokes growing on me, so I got 2 there, got the other 2 chilling in the garage. But yeah, brand new rims, brand new tires. So 400 flat for the rims, 320 for the tires, brand new Hemisphere 215 35 R18. I haven't driven on them yet, so I'm interested to see how they drive and how they burn. But I also have the same tires on the Weds there, but they're a different brand name. Anyways, so I got these all mounted, balanced. So literally brand new rims, brand new tires, 780 bucks, mounted, balanced, ready to go. Now, I don't know about you guys, but 780 bucks for a brand new set of rims and tires sounds pretty unreal to me. Like, I've never bought brand new rims before, and these are gonna be the first ones, so I'm pretty stoked to put them on the 240. So I can actually slide it and not worry about these wheels. But yeah. Alright, so we're about to throw these puppies on. We're gonna be doing the front. So we're gonna be doing the fronts first, and then the rears. Alright, so here we are, got the fronts on. So with the 15 offset, you can definitely notice, especially with these wheels, they clear the caliper a lot better. Like I can actually fit my finger behind there. It pokes about the same. A little nice, but like damn, they look pretty good. Definitely not as flashy as the Cerberuses, but looks still nice. Alright, so this is where we're at. Got the fronts on. Since it's a plus 15 offset, it is poking a bit more, and the fitment is a little tighter, but it might rub when we're going around a corner, but not sure. Have to check when it's at full lock, but yeah, man. Bronze contrasts really nicely on red, actually, and with the yellow calipers in there, like, damn. You know, I never really liked force boats, but like, they've been growing on me lately. So you guys know what I got these rims for. These rims are to slide because I did not want to fuck up my freshly rebuilt weds. So let's go take her for some skids.